welcome to Being Amrita Chef and Beyond. I'm Amrita Raichand and I'm back with another exciting playlist for playdates. Well, what are playdates? Any occasion where more than 2 kids land up in your house, whether it's just for a project, or if it's a birthday party or a pajama party, or it's just your child telling you, Mom, I've got kids coming to hang out. Well, what happens? You get stressed because you want to please the kids, right? Worry not, I'm here. This playlist is going to solve all those problems for you. We're going to have very fun, very healthy and exciting recipes, and most importantly, they're going to be very easy for you to make. So let's begin with the first one, which is carrot nachos with very exciting dips. So now all you have to do is take a bowl and mix 2 flours, cornmeal yani ki Makki ka atta, and then we are going to add some whole wheat flour to this. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste. I'm going to add some dried oregano, and last but not the least, the very healthy carrot. Alright, now I'm going to mix all these ingredients first without the water, and then I'm going to add water and make a nice and soft dough out of this. You can make this dough in advance and keep in your refrigerator. Just keep it wrapped. Okay, so the dough has come together nicely. Now I'm just going to leave it be for about 10 minutes for it to rest. The dough is ready. I've got some flour, and then I'm going to roll this out and cut shapes of nachos. With the help of a rolling pin, we are going to roll this out and make sure that it is thin enough. After all, we are making crispy nachos, so they can't be too thick, but they can't be too thin also, otherwise they'll get a little too hard. Okay, so this is all rolled out. Now all we need to do is cut this in the shape of nachos. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to take out all the rough edges, and then I am going to, okay, so this is done. Now I'm going to cut this into strips, and then I'm going to cut them into triangle shapes. There you go. Okay, I have a baking tray here. We're going to put these on the tray, and we are going to bake them at 180 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. Lovely. So let's bake them now. Alright, so all my nachos are ready, and since nachos taste the best with dips, I've made some nice, yummy and very easy to make dips at home. So we've got some hung curd mixed with lime juice, gives you homemade sour cream. I've got some avocado dip. All you have to do is scoop out the avocado, add some salt, pepper if you like, and some lime juice again, and just mix it, and you get an avocado dip. And the most favorite part, cheese. Cheese and nachos is a great combination. Just melt any cheese of your choice. I like to use cheddar cheese, and this is melted cheddar cheese. So here on a platter, I'm going to place all these 3 yummy dips that are made within literally minutes. And you've got your nachos here. Place them on the side. They're slightly hot. You can allow it to cool completely. And there you go. Our yummy and easy to make nachos are ready. I hope you like this recipe. Do let me know how easy they were for you to make and how much your children love them. And don't forget to subscribe to Being Amrita Chef and Beyond for more such exciting playdate recipes. In the meantime, I have to do this.